Hello guys, in today's tutorial we will learn about the script called XYZ plot. Stable Diffusion XYZ plot create images with varying parameters on every axis. This makes it possible to quickly and conveniently compare the effect of different parameter settings on the images. So, let's get started. So first let's write some prompts and get done with the setting of automatic 11:111. Okay, so now all the settings are done. It's time to start the script. Scroll down and select the XYZ plot. First, I will do a seed to generate the first results. I'm putting the value for the seed. 1, 2, 3. Let's generate and you will get to know how this script works. So as you can see the results, it generates 3 images with different seeds. Now you can give a longer value, but it will take more time to generate images. Okay, moving on. In the next step, I will put CGF scales in the next box called Y section. In this, I am putting the value from 6 to 8 as I put for the seed before. Keep the value for the seed as well, and let's see the results. So, there you go. As you can see now, this script generated not 3 but 9 images with different CGF scales and seeds. Let's move on to the next step. So for the next move, I will use the third section called Z. And in this section, I'm using steps and we'll put the value from 23 to 25. So which means it will generate the images in the grid form. Let's see the results. Hit generate to see the magic. So there you go. For this generation, even with Google Colab, it took almost 10 to 15 minutes to generate the images, as it separately generates the whole grid for each step. Okay, for the next move, in XYZ plot, we will try another option. Uncheck this option, draw a legend, and see what happened. So actually what I wanted to show you is that if you uncheck this option, it will generate images without any information compared to the previous one in the right side of the screen. Let's try something different, including this option called Include Sub-Images, which will generate the main image with all the information, and also it will generate the images separately. Let's do and watch. There you go. Take a look at the result. It generated the image with info and also generated the sub-images separately. The same goes for the next option called Include Subgrid. So maybe you got to know what that means. It means that it will generate the subgrid separately along with the main image. The final result, it took a lot of time to generate. Take a look at the main grid and then the subgrid separately. So that's it for today's tutorial for XYZ plot. Feel free to experiment with this script and I will see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.